Hi, we're going to talk about how to do a phase shift with the trig function using either sine or cosine. So what you want to start out doing is knowing your 5 main coordinates for each sine or cosine function, also known as the parent coordinates. So we have those parent coordinates over here for sine and for cosine. And if we have what's called a phase shift, we're going to have two types. We're going to have a horizontal phase shift, which is going to occur inside the parentheses, or a vertical phase shift, which is going to occur outside of the parentheses. So for a horizontal, what you want to do is you want to take what's inside of the parentheses and set it equal to 0 and solve. And a lot of people think you should just change the sign here and you do the opposite of what that sign is. But if we had a more complicated problem where there was a value in front of the theta, that process wouldn't work. So I always tell people to take the inside, set it equal to 0 and solve. And for a vertical phase shift, it's just going to be the amount that would be the end of the problem outside of the parentheses, sometimes called the D amount. And that's going to tell you how much to go up or down. So we have two example problems here. One is going to be a horizontal phase shift. So we're going to take the inside theta and set it equal to 0 and solve. And we find out that that theta equals pi over 2. And since it's going to be horizontal, we're going to go ahead and change the x values of our coordinates. So we're going to look at our sine, we're going to take the x values, and we're going to add pi over 2. So the y values will stay the same. So it becomes pi over 2, 0, pi, comma 1, 3 pi over 2, comma 0, 3 pi over 2 plus another pi over 2 is 4 pi over 2, which is 2 pi, comma negative 1, and then 2 pi plus another pi is going to be 5 pi over 2, comma 0. For a vertical, that's going to change the y values. We're going to take our cosine, we're going to add 3 to all of our y values. So 0, 4, pi over 2, 3, pi 2, 3 pi over 2, 3, and then finally 2 pi 4. And that's how we do a phase shift for a sine or cosine function. Thank you.